everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my Hummer H2. This is year model 2007 and this is H2 Sud. I'm going to remove the grill and I'm going to share with you how you can remove it. First of all, we're going to pop open the hood, open the latches, then we're going to open the hood. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So we're going to open the hood. And now we're going to go on the other side and I will show you. There are two bolts on the body which holds the grill in place. Two bolts, one here, and the same thing, one on that side in the corner and one on the bottom corner. Then after that, there are 1, 2, 3, and 4 tabs. Those we're going to remove it. You need a 10 millimeter socket. We're going to remove it. This nut has the washer attached to it. So you remove that and make sure you don't lose it. And we're going to remove the bottom one. Once these two are removed, the grill goes down, if you notice that. And now we're going to push these tabs. These are the bracket which I'm talking about, these tabs. These are holding the grill in place. We need to press it. Or you can pull it from other side. If you pull it from other side, then this will break. It's a good idea. You press it and one here, this one. So we need to press it so the grill will go down. And the two are right there. So then the grill will freely come out. So I'm going to push those out. So I have removed the other side the same way with the plier. You can press these clips a little bit and you see the grill goes down and now grill is coming out. And let me show you in the front. You've seen that after pressing with the plier and the whole front grill comes out. And that's how you remove your grill from your Hummer H2 Sud. And if this video helped you out in any way, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.